Hi, this is Auto Dave from Martin's Auto Repair. In these ever-changing times with the coronavirus going around, we at Martin's Auto Repair want to make sure that all our clients are safe and make sure that our staff is safe. So we're implementing steps to take care of that and keep everybody safe. The first thing we're doing is we're taking some disinfectant wipes and we're wiping down the counters and wiping down the keys. And we're also wiping down the areas where we're not in your car, like the steering wheel, the door handles, just to keep everybody safe so we don't have any problems. We also put some hand sanitizer at the front counter, so when the customers come in, they can use the hand sanitizer to wipe their hands. And for those of you that don't want to come in the office and be around other people, we perfectly understand. So what you can do is you can come to the north side of my building where we have a drop box. It's right up there on the top. All you need to do is flip that up, fill out one of those envelopes with your name and phone number, and we'll contact you. It'll be really easy. We'll get all the information. We'll take care of your car. We'll put your car outside, and you can even pick it up without us even going in the office. We also have some lock boxes. We'll put your keys in, and then you can come pick up your car. We'll give you a code. You can open the box up, get your key, and you can leave without even being in contact with anybody. And also, we've implemented that all my technicians are wearing rubber gloves to further decrease the chances of having any human contact or spreading the virus in any way, shape, or form. Well, we know some of you are working from home or you're stuck home with the kids while schools are closed. So it is a great time to get your car into the shop to get it checked out. Well, there's less stress for you and less stress for everybody. Bring your car down. We can give you a ride home. We can pick your car up if you'd like us to. It'd be a great time to get it done, and we do want you to know we definitely appreciate your business and thank you for your trust in us.